Local news about local people. This is Newslink, Indiana.
Good evening, I'm Chris Bavender. Thanks for joining us. The EPA may soon begin to clean up 2 trailers filled with hazardous waste. The trailers have been parked behind Muncie's precision transmission since August. The EPA hasn't cleaned them up yet because they say the waste isn't an immediate threat, but they do add there could be problems if the chemicals mix.
Look out for this kind of stuff in your neighborhood, because this could be on a country road or it could be in a street down by Bull State where someone drops off either a trailer or a drum or something like that. And if you're not sure what it is, give us a call. That's why we're here.
And to report suspicious looking material, you can call the Emergency Management Agency at 747-4888. While the closing of 2 Muncie elementary schools could be in the works, major renovations have also been proposed for one of the city's high schools. Newslink Indiana's Andy Marquise reports on why many feel the work is long overdue.
Muncie Community Schools might be looking at a $90 million makeover. $15 million of that would go toward major renovations at Southside High School. Christina Castillo has been here 4 years and sees needs.
I think we need a few more classrooms. We have quite a few teachers who push carts around with all their books and everything they need for the day.
Built in 1962, School Superintendent Marlon Creasy says Southside's building is outdated. Dale Basham has been at Southside since 1978 and wants modernization.
I think a big part of it is going to be to address needs as detailed in the American Disability Act. But I think also technology is going to be a major focus.
Security might be another issue Southside wishes to address. One teacher told us that this door is supposed to be closed during school hours for security, but it was not today because of what he called an outdated heating and cooling system. Creasy calls the project an extensive renovation and general upgrade, but one teacher says the look of the building isn't his main focus.
I think that the students don't learn from the building, they learn from the teachers and each other and our curriculum.
In Muncie, Andy Marquis, Newslink, Indiana.
Superintendent Creasy says the renovation could start in fall 2005 and be done sometime in 2008. Now here's a look at your Newslink Indiana forecast. Keep your umbrellas out. Showers and thunderstorms are coming back tonight. There's a 40% chance of rain. Look for a low of 58. Tomorrow there is a 50% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Some of the storms could be severe during the afternoon. Otherwise it will be partly cloudy with a high of 78. And in our 5-day forecast, it will clear out for the beginning of the holiday weekend, but showers return Sunday. That is Newslink Indiana. Join us at 10:57 for more news and get local news about local people 24 hours a day at newslinkindiana.com.